everyone, I'm Prasanna Sethu, trainer from Dale. So due to this pandemic, like we have been pushed to work from our home, right? So during these tough times, online learning gets its moment. So in this uncertain environment, it's important that learning continues. So even if it can't happen in person, it has to be done on either by using technology, by using today's technology. Like more than 300 million students worldwide are having their education disrupted by the spread of coronavirus. The schools and universities haven't faced this kind of an environment or this kind of a disruption in generations. But unlike any time in the past, like we have ability to continue our education even the schools are closed. So here's how education will change. Digital learning goes mainstream in a hurry, and that's going to upend the current education practices, models and process going forward. So if you take technology, like a lot of technology has been been gifted to us, we can use it accordingly. So the only reason the universities and some school district K-12 has been able to do remote learning is by use of technological stack which has involved in bit of in 4-5 years. So I thought to share a good learning management system to some degree, like which I have used it, and I thought to share with you about the interesting product like Google has given to us, especially for school education. I think this video might help school leaders and teachers, those who are stuck in the home and got not working here. So it benefits us because it's quite familiar, because we are being adopted to Google thing. So come, let's buckle up and Google. We can see how the Google for education and its features and how we can see it live. I'll explain you what are the content in it, and I was really happy. And let's go and see like what the product is all about. Thanks a lot.
Education and creativity. So Google for Education gives teacher freedom to spend more time personalizing the learning experience and less time managing it. The students can learn 21st century skills, problem solving skills they'll use in future careers with accessibility feature that help every student to get their best work out of from it. So I think this 4 to 5 tools, it will be helping students a lot, and for teachers also. So I'm here for next 10 to 20 minutes. I'm here to explain you like what are the products and how it will be useful for the students. So coming up with the first product called G Suite for Education. I think this everybody is quite familiar with. It's an ordinary Gmail. What are the options which you are using it? So in Gmail we often use Google Drive and Excel, Word, all these things. Same thing to the Enterprise Edition. They have added the same features in G Suite for Education. Education, the same thing they have added at G Suite for Education. Here the schools can sign up the G Suite. I think it's free of cost to the school, so can take it. I can talk to the specialist. The link which I have given in this website. So to go use this Google Education G Suite, you can search it in Google and directly you will get this link. So here you can get a lot of options, you can go through it. So I'll just give you a brief like what all the topics is all about. So first one, starting with the G Suite, as usual it's a Gmail mail communication. You can send it to the students and you can add them and revert back to them. Everything it works in the Drive. So we have got a lot of ample of space, and calendar is there. Documents, Word, Excel is there. So all these things are quite useful for you. I think you are more comfortable in using. I think you are familiar in using this. Nothing new to it. So calendar, I can join. You can use a join calendar as a reminder. You can set it up, and not only that, usual docs is there. Forms is there. Jamboard. Regarding this Jamboard, we'll see we have got a big product coming up, and I'll explain you in detail in coming in slides. Hangout is there. You can directly make a video call and you can give presentation to your students, and not only that, you can set up a classroom also. In this classroom you can set up an assignment, you can create an assignments, you can communicate with them. A kind of an ERP you can set up, and it's a free of cost. And this is everything it will be stored in the cloud, so that you can work or you can access it from anywhere. So it's quite useful, and I think you're quite familiar with this G Suite. So next thing is like it's very interesting. I have gone through it. So next is called Classroom. So once if you click the Classroom, so you'll be getting the screen, and some of the advantages of this is Classroom helps students and teacher organize assignments. They can boost the collaboration, and they can have a foster better communication. So Classroom educators can create classes, distribute assignments, grade or send feedback, and see everything in one place. So educators can track students' progress to know where they are, when to give an extra feedback. Everything will be there in a simplified way, and it's very constructive also, constructive and personalized. So you can work from anywhere, anytime, on any device. You can make use of it. Just a username and password, and you can log in directly, and it will be useful. And not only that, you can also connect with the mobile devices also. So it gives us a better feedback, a faster way to communicate with the students, and you can assign grade wise, and you can post comments like Facebook. You can comment at any column or facilitate the classroom discussions. And these are the outline with which it will be very useful for you. And distraction can be eliminated. Like many third-party softwares can also be integrated with it, and Google have given exclusive right to it. So come, let's see like what's there in the Classroom, and I'll just show you like how to set up a Classroom. So once if you click this go to Classroom, you'll be getting an interface like this. Here already I have created a sample Classroom. I'll show you one more time. So there is a column called create or join the classroom. So you can create a classroom like this. Terms and conditions. So I've created a classroom here. You can set up a theme somewhat same like Facebook. You can select a theme, you can upload a photo, and you can share something. I mean, you can add the student's name, classwork, so people, all basic click and view options. So teachers, you can add the students if you want. You can add grades as well as so what stream they are. Everything is like click and view option. Once if you click and view, you'll be able to do it. It's a kind of an ERP. It's very useful. I mean, you can send text or you can put messages at any point of time. So it will be, students will be able to view. They'll be easily able to view it. So I just have given my comments here. So you can all it's a basic thing. You can easily and that is a called class code. By using this class code, you can send it to your class, so that you can make the students to join in this classroom at any point of time. So they can, even if they are in their home, they can join using this code. It's a basic code where you can you can click and you can make use of the things. In the options called classwork, you can create an assignments, or you can send quiz material, question material, so to the students, and you can post it in the topic in the wall, and you can it will be very useful. And you can even add columns also to it. You can give your feedbacks, or you can do assessment in that. In the people column, you can add students by clicking the option, sending the invitation mail, and it will be directly going and they can join here. So grade is also somewhat. So by using this classroom option, you can make teaching very productive. And not only that, it's no cost, or with the no cost you can set up a classroom, and you can invite all the students to it, and administrative tasks can be done easily. So like work from anywhere and anytime or any device. Even they can work from their home. They can, the classroom can be done, or you can send assignments to them easily, and it will be quite comfortable for them working by using the software or technological part. So some of the advantages for this classroom is like it gives a better feedback. I can comment faster. Immediate results can be done. I can assign grade wise. The categorization can be done easily. And not only that, the classroom can be more organized, and it helps teacher to do their administrative tasks easily. So distraction can also be eliminated. So a lot of quite benefit is there for you by using the classroom. Not only that, Google have given they have given approval for a lot of apps which can be integrated along with this. A lot of apps are there. You can download it and you can attendance. A lot of things are there. So paperless apps are there. By using this, you can collaborate. We can make students. You can make them easily. Integrate things out and get their work done. So we are coming up for the third product named assignments. These assignments it helps to generate new assignment using docs and drive, and each student has a unique copy of it. They cannot cheat or they cannot copy from others. So you can organize the coursework by class, date and student, and as well as it's getting adapted to the existing work of a new course. Originality reports can be extracted, so assignments student submission can be done easily and through the web also. Using the technological factors, it will be more efficient in an efficient way, and students can run their own reports before submitting to help, and it helps them to strengthen their work. So some of the benefits of using this assignments, it gives us an originality report, always visible. Word count will be there. Spell check, grammar can be done easily. So two-way commenting option is also there. Auto save is also there. So let's go to the assignment column and see what are the options available for it. Here you can create assignments based on the topic and based on the subject, and it can be sent it individually to the students, and submissions, and again assigning the grades and everything. It can be done through these options available here. And here comes the other product called Chromebooks. So it's nothing but a gadget which has been given from Google. So a lot of options are there. This Chromebooks is very shareable, web-based devices. You can use to access the internet, enriching apps. Powerful extensions are available with automatic updates and multi-layer security. It is been given from the Google side, so it helps us for a long-term. For example, students will be using it rough, right? So it will be very tough, and durability will be there. Students can share devices easily. They boots up in a second and works on and offline. So built for durability for the wear and tear of the students. So unlock the creativity, curated apps for the learning. So automatic updates are there with an internet connections. So Google Chrome is a direct product from the Google, and upgradation will be there based on the subscription. So you can, if the school owners want to buy this product, there is an option called talk to specialist. Here you can click it and you can directly talk to the Google employees, and they'll be just look out for the better offers. And something more about this, it's very affordable. I think some student concessions are available, so it's better to have a discussion with the concerned person. And a lot of apps are also there, like Video, Squid, Soundtrap. It really boosts up the learning for the students, and it'll be quite interesting for them. So we can discover a lot of apps and ideas for learning it. And Google Chrome, I think it's one of the wonderful devices which you can get it from Google, because it's very dependable. And that's what, as discussed earlier, it's very it's shareable between the students. It boots up easily in a second, and a lot of automatic updates are available. So I think Google Chrome, for students, definitely as learning will be there in a different way. And you can talk to the specialist if you want. You can inquire a lot of commercials. You can negotiate with them and get a better commercial aspects. So coming to the next is Google Cloud. It's very simple. As you know, a lot of data can be updated, and it helps us in powering getting a lot of contents. You can share it with others, like students, educators, researchers. They can go ahead with the secure infrastructure to collaborate and yield new heights, as they have given here. Here Google Cloud can store a lot of data here based on your subscription, a lot of analytics, because to today is all about analytics, getting data from them. So it's kind of an open source. Can have a powerful analytics and infrastructure built in it. We can share it with any person throughout the world. It's very useful. A lot of apps are also available here. You can get it done, and it will be useful for them to put all their notes or records. Whatever learning happens can be safely recorded and securely recorded with the help of Google Cloud. And coming to the interesting topic, that is virtual and augmented reality. It's a kind of a bit advanced. I don't know like how far it will be useful in India. So so tomorrow it's going to be about VR, virtual reality. Whatever the students are learning in textbooks, it's going to come in front of their eyes. They can visually feel it. So that's how the Google have designed it. A lot of creative virtual environment here. Students can use it as a tool to get their works done. So it's a kind of an abstract or live which is coming to your eyes by using virtual reality. So about this, there are two Google have given two a tool that is Google Cardboard, which gives a real experience, VR experience. With you can pair it with mobile device and you can use it easily. The next one is like Tour Creator. With the help of Tour Creator, students can take a tour, or they can learn it in a real time 360. So I'm just going to click the cardboard first and we'll see what's the Google have given to us. So yeah, here it is. In this cardboard, a lot of variety of things that they have given. So first thing is like Google Cardboard Maxbox. It's a kind of a VR, like students can buy it at a minimum cost. So they have mentioned in dollars. So based on the need of the school or based on the fees or affordability, you can buy a lot of products here. So next one is Tour Creator. In this Tour Creator, I think it will take time to load because it's a big visual content. It has a big visual content. So here it is. With the help of Tour Creator, students can view 360-degree photos. For example, if they want to view Taj Mahal, they can load it and they can see it in 360-degree view. Point of a lot of image overlays will be there. I'm just showing you a small example here. See, it can be turned at any side. It's awesome, right? View is elegant. See how it gives us a 360-degree view. Man, technology at different level. So students will be having the product and they can see they can learn. It gives an extract learning like this. Here it is, Taj Mahal. See how awesome, beautiful is it, isn't it? See, so students can, whatever the topic it might be, they get it, they can feel it. They can get a lot of image overlays, easy sharing. Learning can be done anytime and anywhere. So there is an option called Create Yours. So you can start based on the topic, you can create it and you can show to your students. I think learning is a magic, right? So you can transfer the same magic to your students. Awesome. Really thanks to Google for giving us a wonderful experience. So we have done with virtual and augmented reality, and we are going to the last product named Jamboard. It's something similar to the smart boards which we are using in our school. Educom smart board, it's somewhat similar to it, but here they are giving us a two option, that is 55 inches Jamboard is available, but I don't know like how far it's available in India. So Jamboard, it literally boosts the students' collaboration and engaging thing between students and teachers. So teaching can be done by using this smart board. So there are two options. So one is like 55-inch board. Google is giving it out, and it's a kind of a tablet. It's a big tablet. They can connect it. Students can connect using it, and in case like if their teacher is giving any teaching any interesting topic, like they can collaborate with the students also. It's very simple as whiteboard, very smart. So online display is there, so quickly can pull off the images, and a lot of brainstorming and lectures can be done. A lot of ideas can be shared between students. Can jam from anywhere, so educators and students can collaboratively work together. So if in case if you are not affordable to get those 55-inch screen monitor, the Google has given an option to connect it by using a smart board or whatever smart board which we have. So I have clicked it, so directly it goes to the link called jamboard.google. Already I have used it. So this is going to be the first class for the Jamboard, using Jamboard. So yes, we have got into Jamboard. So we have got a lot of options here. So pen option is there, so you can write it, and eraser option you can rub it. So there is a pointer to select. So again we have a sticky notes. If in case any important topics to discuss or for a reminder, you can use this sticky note, and you can add images also. So here it is a new option called laser. I can make get the students' attention by using this laser option. You can circulate and you can explain to them. So it's quite interesting, and and also you can change the frame also, background. So it also catches the attention of the students. I mean, quite a blackboard. I think students might be bored up, and if you use the technology like this, definitely students attention is going to be 100%, and they will be more interested towards the learning. So all the data or all the learnings can be stored up in Google Cloud. So student tablet users can also get connected using the rich tools which is available. So it can be accessed through web browser as well as by using the 55-inch monitor given provided by the Google Lab. I think if it is not affordable, you can go to this software also. It's a free of course. Like you can enroll it. You can as you get Google Mail ID, you can get this Jamboard also. You can start using day to day in the classrooms. And I think we have done with all the products, and really thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope it will be useful for you, and if you start using it, it will be benefit to the students as well as for the school. And technology is the most important thing. It has to be used in a proper way. So I felt at this point of time, like when we are working from home, all this technology can be very much useful and effective. So I felt to share as a video. Really thanks a lot for watching. See you next time. Thank you. Prasanna Sethu signing off. Thanks. Thank you a lot.